Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Eden. Happy birthday, Eden. Hip hip hooray!
Happy birthday, Eden.
Hai semuanya, ketemu lagi bersama saya Tewati dan asisten cantik saya seperti biasa.
Hai Lili. Eva.
Bumil. Oke, jadi hari ini ulang tahunnya Simbol Eden. Happy birthday Eden. Semoga jadi kebanggaan orang tua.
Amin.
Wah. Oke, sekarang kita mau makan-makan. Oh iya, jadi karena di sini lagi restriction, kasihan Bu RT ya, nggak bisa dimasukkan ke dalam squad ini karena cuma 5 orang. Bisa juga ya, happy birthday Eden.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday Eden. Oke, kita makan. Oke, lagi. Hai semuanya, ketemu lagi bersama saya Tewati dan asisten tercantik saya
What about there? There.
Eva Lili.
Say,
Oke, jadi hari ini adalah hari ulang tahunnya Embul Eden yang kedua. Jadi selamat ulang tahun Eden, semoga panjang umur, sehat selalu dan selalu menjadi kebanggaan mami sama papa. Oke, we say together happy birthday Eden. Happy birthday Eden. Birthday boy-nya di sebelah sana. Lagi makan beng-beng. You sing again for him. Before what you sing?
No.
Sing again.
You can't sing song.
Happy birthday to you. I went to Daisy. I saw a big monkey and I thought it was you.
Ini adalah dekorasinya Bumil sendiri yang buat. Ada tumpeng, ada tumpeng. Ini aku yang buat.
Is it like a lot of sewing?
Baby stuff. I think it's
Ini suaminya yang buat. Oke, kita makan. Seperti biasa, pencok kacang panjang. Ini buat bapak-bapak. Burger. Ini curry puff. Ini semua homemade. Ini suaminya yang buat, suaminya Bumil. Ini aku, sticky date. Ini nasi kuning buatan Bumil. Ini ya, buatan Bumil. Ada nasi kuning, tempe, dendeng kering, ayam lengkuas, telur puyuh sambal balado, mie goreng, ini dendeng kering balado, sama perkedel kentang. Ini curry puff buatan Bumil, dia tuh enak banget, suamiku suka banget nih curry puff. Kasihan Bu Ani, Bu RT nggak bisa karena saat ini masih dibatasi ya, cuma 5 orang. Hai Bumil, kamu lagi apa? Dia itu jagonya buat adonan-adonan roti. Dia itu buat sendiri nih. Jago dia buat adonan. Kalau aku masak. Kentut kalau enggak, kalau aku masak, kalau buat beginian aku enggak, bukan ahlinya.
Eden.
Hello, François. How are you? Tired?
Ini
Oke.
berapa semua?
Aduh, banyak pisang, setengah.
Let's set Papa.
Oke, Eden, come on.
Cut this one first.
I know.
Eden.
This one is mine.
Eden, cut this one first. Cut with Mama. Cut with Mama.
Yeah.
Cut with Mama.
He knows what he wants, the one with the cherries.
Yeah.
Not one of Ricky's and bottle.
No. Oke, mereka mau potong tumpengnya. Yeay, Eden. Yeay, happy birthday, Eden. Yeay.
Normally drinks spoon. My go-to spoon.
Yeay.
Someone might have been careful, Scott. What happened?
Load, Edan, load.
A bottle of Jim Beam.
Wow.
Oke, kita makan.
Now try a little bit of that. That's one you can drink.
Dia mau apa?
And it tastes like a lot
Oh.
of it runs out.
Yeah, Baba, what do you want? What do you want now?
He wants the cake. Which one?
Yeah. Nah.
Nasi kuningnya enak.
Hello, say hello.
Then like this. Like that.
And then soup.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Eden. Happy birthday, Eden. Hip hip hooray! Hip hip hooray!
Happy birthday to you. I went to the zoo. I saw a big monkey and I thought it was you.
Hip hip hooray!
He's always going to remember his second birthday, that rude girl singing monkey song.
You three
No
of
wonder
you.
he says mine, mine, mine.
Baby, move over there, baby.
Bebe.
And sit with mama. And sit with mama.
Get in the picture, get out the picture. Get in the picture.
One,
This is
two,
when I just want to walk away.
three, yay!
Yummy.
Awas Eva, awas. Oh yeah.
Yay.
Awas, tanganmu Pak.
It's hot.
Ayo. Kenapa dia diraba?
Ya dia mah. Biarin ngerasain panas.
Knife.
Tapi mukanya nggak kelihatan Pak.
Hah?
Tapi bagus ya Pak.
Attends.
Belum apa lah?
Eva, you have knife and plate and...
Yang gede itu.
Out of the way.
I put the small plate.
Birthday present, yeah. Woohoo.
Jump on.
Beep beep
Mop again, mop. Allez.
beep beep.
Go. Good boy. Okay. Oh.
Okay. Hola, Eden, what you got?
Looks delicious, but only one thing concerning me.
What is it?
It looks like it's wholemeal. The cake.
Yeah?
It's wholemeal, yeah? Flour?
Flowers.
No, put some...
Hazelnut. Oh, okay.
Happy birthday, Eden! Oke teman-teman semuanya, terima kasih sudah menonton video aku hari ini. Jangan lupa like, comment, dan subscribe. Salam Sampurasun.
Sampurasun.
Stay safe everyone.
Belum.
Apa? Belum. Aris, jadi karena restriction tidak boleh lebih dari 5 visitor, jadi Ani Ibu RT nggak bisa datang, jadi dia datang ke rumahku.